So I'm going to turn it over to Eric to talk about the Orange County Public Works background with the tool.
Yeah, so I'd like to start off with an introduction to our Orange County Stormwater Program. The County of Orange is split between two regional water boards. So in North County, we are permitted under the Santa Ana Regional Water Board, and in South County, we're permitted under the San Diego Regional Water Board. For both permits, the county acts as the lead permittee, and we are partnered with 34 cities and the Orange County Flood Control District as co-permittees. And as you can imagine, that leads to some pretty wide, varied regulatory requirements, and we've got a lot of input from a lot of stakeholders and a lot of different interests to consider. Next slide. So traditionally, as I mentioned, we've got kind of two separate permits with separate requirements. So our tools have always been developed to satisfy one specific program for a permit or one specific type of program across both permits. And we started to realize there's a lot of overlap between the data in each of our workflows and being shared amongst our tools. But the tools weren't designed to function well together. Overall, in South Orange County, we're working towards compliance with our 2018 Water Quality Improvement Plan. That's a 30-year plan designed to help us meet some of our water quality goals. And in North County, they're kind of holding tight, meeting current permit requirements with an eye towards their upcoming permit renewal. So when we're looking at some kind of new tools that we'd like to put together, we realized we really need something very adaptable and modular so that we could work with both the current South requirements and the planned upcoming North requirements. And next slide. So our decision to adopt the Stormwater Tools platform from Lake Tahoe and modify it for Orange County was really born from a desire to bring a lot of our different tools and workflows and knowledge bases together. We started by evaluating what we knew, and we identified that on one hand, we had a really robust knowledge set with our structural inventories, our geographic data and our physical location information. And then we also had a lot of information from our inspection and operations departments. So we had a lot of information on conditions of our BMPs and how things were actually operating in the field. And then we had a third knowledge base for a lot of our kind of technical and design information. And we kind of realized that all of this was great information, but it wasn't really meshing together to provide any kind of deep, program-wide benefit. So we went through, we decided as we were looking into different tools, we wanted a way to bring all of our skills and all of our different workflows together into one tool to help us collaborate a little bit better using our existing skills and data sets.